keep going, push it all the way back. We need the next truck ready now. Watch the back right, easy now. All right, set the brake, we're clear. Heads up on the crane. Clear the conveyor, we have a blockage here.
Check the moisture on this batch.
Levels look good, right at the 12% mark.
Keep an eye on the consistency here. It looks good, minimal waste on this batch.
The mechanical extraction systems utilize synchronized rollers and scraping blades to harvest the fibers.
Mechanical combing systems separate tangled fibers into smooth, parallel strands while removing short fragments and impurities automatically. The fibers are reaching the optimal smoothness for industrial use.
Agreed. The quality control metrics are well within tolerance.
Computer-controlled cutting machines precisely divide the banana fiber sheets. Laser guides ensure every cut is exact, optimizing the material for assembly.
Check this section again. The laser detected an anomaly.
It seems acceptable. The scanner light is green now.
Easy now, bring it straight back.
Pallet 72, scanned and secured.
We need these on the main floor display immediately.
Okay, I'll take the next stack.
Showcasing the rich potential of sustainable materials, these handcrafted banana fiber products blend industrial aesthetics with modern design.
The tensile strength is remarkable, but let's reinforce this seam.
All right, finished. What do you both think?
It's absolutely stunning. The drape is perfect.